Welcome back. In this video, I'll explain IP addresses, domains, and DNS in the simplest way possible. Let's start with IP. An IP address is like a phone number for a computer on the internet. It's a unique set of numbers that tells the internet where a device or a server is located. For example, Google's IP address is something like this. If you type this number into your browser, you'll still reach Google. So think of an IP as the exact number that identifies a website or device. There are two main versions of IP addresses, IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 uses four sets of numbers separated by dots. It's the most common, but because the internet grew so fast, we started running out of IPv4 addresses. IPv6 was created to solve this problem. It uses a much longer format with numbers and letters separated by colons. IPv6 gives us almost unlimited addresses for the future. So IPv4 is shorter and common, while IPv6 is newer and much larger. Now domains. A domain is like the contact name you save in your phone. Instead of remembering a long phone number, you just save it as Mom or John. In the same way, instead of remembering Google's long IP, you just type google.com. Domains make the internet human-friendly and easy to use. But how does your browser know that google.com means 142.250.190.14? That's where DNS comes in. DNS stands for Domain Name System. It's like the internet's phonebook. When you type a domain, DNS looks up the matching IP address and connects you to the right server. Without DNS, we'd have to memorize numbers for every website we visit. There are many DNS servers around the world, but some are very popular because they are fast, reliable, and free to use. Here are the most famous ones: Google DNS, Cloudflare DNS, and OpenDNS, owned by Cisco. You can even change your device's DNS settings to use these instead of your internet provider's DNS. Many people do this to get faster browsing, better privacy, or more reliable connections. So to summarize, IP is like the phone number. IPv4 is the old, shorter type of IP. IPv6 is the new, longer type that gives us almost unlimited addresses. Domain is like a contact name. DNS is like the phone book that connects the two. And you can even use famous DNS providers like Google, Cloudflare, or OpenDNS to make your internet faster and more secure. And that's it. Now you know exactly what IP, domain, and DNS mean in the simplest way possible.